Welcome to our channel, MTNesterMoto. Yes, the nest is empty. Our kids have left the nest, but our adventures haven't ended. It's just an opportunity for us to go and take some more adventures. We're going to take you on our adventures with us. There will be some local ones, maybe some across the country, and possibly even more. If you like our channel, please hit the subscribe, like, and share our videos, as it'll really help to grow the channel. Okay, on to our adventures. Okay, so here I am. We're gonna go to Killarney. I'm in Sudbury. Sorry, I was messing around with my camera and I'm old and I'm just starting this new website. But anyways, we're gonna go on the roads and I'll catch up with you later. Hopefully I know how to turn and off my GoPro. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. All right, so this is Burwash. I had other batteries and I guess that's all I needed to do. But anyways, I've decided I'm gonna do this another day. We're gonna come visit this. It's Burwash Prison. And as you can see, it's a bit of a parking lot. And then you can just pay for the parking. And yeah, and then there is apparently what I read was 6-kilometer walk down this way. And of course I'm alone and it's 4 o'clock and there are quite a few animals in and around. And so I decided I'm not doing this by myself. But yeah, you go that way and the prison is down there. So we're going to make another video. We're going to make another video of that. And we're going to make another video of that. and that'll be another adventure. And so for now, I'll do a bit of videotaping of our ride out. I'm still on the Killarney Road. We're out of the Killarney district. We're now in Greater Sudbury district, but basically on the Killarney Road still. And we're gonna head to Sudbury, and then back towards my place. I'm also here in Northern Ontario, and yeah. So I hope you enjoyed it. There's been a few mistakes, learning curves, and yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. Bugs are part of it. We're gonna explore and we're gonna enjoy, and I'm gonna introduce a bit of hiking on these videos, and some family on the videos, and discoveries by bike. Okay, so till next time. Thank you. Okay, I think I figured out my mic here, and I figured out my GoPro. Every time I turned it off, I wasn't turning it off, so it was wearing out of its battery. Okay, anyways, it's all good. It's the end of the trip here. We're just headed home. So we'll just be careful through this area here. It's exciting, not bad, not bad.